Hello everyone, let's solve question 35 of GATE paper CS1 2025. The height of any rooted tree in a defined as the maximum number of edges in the path from root to any leaf node. Suppose on a min heap tree T, it stores 32 keys, the height of the tree T is. So in order to understand, we need to understand how to calculate height of a heap. So, what is a min heap? Min heap is a complete binary tree that every node is less than equal to children and a tree is filled from left to right, level by level. Defined as the maximum number of edges from root to any leaf node. So, tree with one node will have height of 0. Tree with two nodes will have height of 1. Tree with 3, 4 nodes will have height of 2 and so on. For a complete binary tree like heap with n nodes, the given height h will be log base n of base 2. Log n base 2. So applying this question for n equal to 32, the answer will be log 32 base 2, which is 5. So height will be 5. That's it for this particular question. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.